Horizontal bridge is built across a river. A student is standing on the bridge, throws a ball vertically upwards with a velocity 4 meters per second. The ball strikes the water surface after 4 seconds. The height of the bridge above the water surface is water. Here it is surface of water, and here it is bridge. Here we have the bridge like this. Let us suppose the height between this bridge and the surface of water is h. Now what happens? One ball is being thrown from this bridge with velocity 4 meter per second. So this is 4 meter per second. So the journey of the ball would be like, first ball reaches the point, suppose the ball starts its journey from point O, reaches the highest point A, then again comes to point O, and finally it reaches the river surface, that is R. So we have to find the value of h. Here we need to find h is equal to question mark. Since the ball first starts its journey from O, then it reaches point A, then again O, and finally reaches the river surface, isn't it? So O to A to R. So let us suppose the time given for this journey, I am taking it as t, and it is given in the question as 4 seconds. We have to find the height. So instead of taking two different equations of motion, that is from O to A, then A to R, I am taking the journey, this one, that is from O to R. Initial position, this is initial position IP, and R is the final position FP. This is initial position, this is final position. Direction of displacement is always from initial to final. So the direction of displacement is downward, isn't it? And the direction of velocity, initial velocity, is upward. In such kinds of questions, now physics gives us freedom. We can choose any direction as positive, and opposite to that direction the other will become negative. For example, in this question, suppose if I take the downward direction as positive, so what happens? The upward direction becomes negative. Yes, physics gives us the freedom. So here the h, since it is from O to R, vertically downward direction, we take it as positive. Acceleration O to R, again downward direction, we take it as positive, but the direction of initial velocity, since the ball is thrown vertically upward, so it must be negative. So using the second equation of motion, that is s is equal to ut plus half at square, we have h. I am putting it plus h because downward direction we have taken as positive. U, since the direction of u is vertically upward, so we will take u as minus. So u is given as 4 meter per second, so we consider it as minus 4, and the time is 4 seconds, plus half. G is given as 10 meters, so this is 10, and the time is 4 square. So we get, this is minus 16 plus 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 into 16 80. So this is 80 minus 16, that is 64 meter. This is the answer.